Greetings everyone, this is part 2 of Rose's very easy whole wheat sourdough bread. First I'm going to mix the bread together now. I have fed the starter some point this afternoon. I think it was at about 5 o'clock. It's now 10 p.m. And I'm going to mix it together now and I'll bake it tomorrow. I'm going to measure out 12 cups of flour and a tablespoon of salt. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This method I use is very easy. You'll see here I don't even really technically measure the salt. I just kind of do a heaping tablespoon. Mix the salt in. Then I'm going to add 7 cups of water. I've got it measured on my pitcher. I see I put a little black mark because I do this so often, but that's 7 cups. Pour it right in the middle. Then I'm going to get my starter, which I've got in this little bucket here. I get my scoop wet because it doesn't stick as badly. Just dig out a few. I'm going to put 3 cups in. Now, I'm putting in 3 cups because it's cool at night here, but if I were making this in the summer, I'd put as little as 1 in because it would rise too fast with 3. So that's just kind of get it out. If you find your bread is rising too quickly, you want to add less the next time. If it's not really rising much, you want to add more. Then I take my mixing spoon and I just go ahead and mix this in. You'll notice it's quite wet. Because my understanding is, and I'm not really sure how good this understanding is, but my understanding is that because it's wet, I can get away without kneading it. Because the gluten can form in the wet dough. Now, yeah, I kind of mix it in. Sometimes you'll find this is looking a little bit too wet, so you're going to see just how easy I am about this. I tend to find let's go ahead and add a little bit more flour. But basically, I'm giving it as much flour as I can mix in by hand with this spoon. If I would start to find it difficult to mix, well, I'm done. That looks about right. Then I just clear off my spoon. Put a cover on it. You can use a wet tea towel if you want, but I have this nice big cutting board that rests right over there quite nicely. Prevents it from drying out overnight. I find if I just put a dry tea towel on it, it won't work as well. And then I just use the spatula to clear off the edge of the starter. And I'll show you my starter right now. This is when it's ready to be fed. You probably saw a little bit of it, but here's kind of the consistency of it. It's pretty goopy at the moment. Very bubbly. Smells kind of like sourdough starter, kind of gross. And I think that's all.